Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making banga stew, so keep watching if you want to see how I made this. I'm using fish for this recipe. Next I will season with seasoning cubes, blended onions and peppers, and salt to taste. I will add water, cover and allow it to cook. Few minutes later, I check on the fish and it's done. I'm going to set it aside. You can grill or fry. Today, I'm not doing any of them. In a pot, I'll add my palm fruit concentrate, which I use hot water to dissolve and allow it to settle because sand always settles at the bottom. I will add gently and discard the bottom parts. I'm going to cover and allow it to cook until oil floats on top. At this time, oil has floated on top. Next, I'll add my fresh tomatoes, which I mashed with my mortar, roughly blended onions, ehuru, crayfish, cooked gizzard, and my cooked fish, as well as the stock. I will stir to combine, cover, and allow it to cook. If you are still watching, that means you love this recipe. Please support me by sharing this video. Thank you. At this time, I check on the stew and the consistency is just perfect. Next, I will add my fresh scent leaves, stir to combine and allow it to cook for 3 to 5 minutes to release the fragrance. 5 minutes later, I will add my frozen pumpkin leaves, stir to combine and allow it to cook for 3 minutes. And we are done. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.